How to log into your Royal Bank banking account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device and search Royal Bank account. You will find this kind of screen. Click on the first option that pops up, which is Royal Bank's official website. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Sign In at the top right corner of your screen and here. After you've pressed on Sign In, here you will need to add your client card or your username. After you do that, if you already have password, you can press on Next and start logging in. But if you don't know username, you can click on Recover your username. Or if you don't have this bank account, you can click on Enroll in Online Banking at the bottom as well. And this is how to log into your Royal Bank banking account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.